so we're just nearly at Dunmore Park here, the Forest Park. The park over here and the forest is up there to the right. So we'll have a look in there. Oh yeah. The park over here first. Front of a church. St. Andrew's. What? Yes. I never knew that was the Church of Ireland. Haha, yes boy. Happy days. So, there's two different ways to go. So I'm going to go up the steps, see where this leads us. This should be interesting. It's so peaceful here. So I'm not talking that much. That's the other way, we're up the steps. That's basically it. That's far enough to go for now. It's late anyway, so I'm going to stop. I'm going to have something to eat, brought myself a little something. I'm going to trek back down, and yeah, it's definitely a really beautiful place. So if you ever get the chance, come out here. This is one of my favourite places to go, is Dunmore, and I've never been to this forest, only today, and it's absolutely breathtaking. So peaceful, so quiet. It's only the birds, and the road is just down there, and you can't do anything but the birds and your own feet walking on the ground. That's it. It's really nice. Really, really nice. And there is the evening sun. That has been Dunmore Woods Forest Park, whatever it's called. So that has been Dunmore Woods Forest Park. Pretty cool place, I have to admit. And Dunmore East Woods, yeah, neighbourhood scheme, and you have all that stuff there. So yeah, really cool place. Well worth a look. Well worth a visit for sure. It has everything there. I didn't even look at that before I came up. You have everything there, so really nice. Hope you enjoyed it. Until the next time, Deise rebel out.